I want to do a real quick update on everything. This video is going to be out now. What I'm going to go ahead and do on this video is going to go ahead and tell you that I am getting the other videos up and getting them ready. Like I said, there's a ton of them. I'm still editing. I'm going to say there's like 20 videos on just this right here. I'm trying to put them all together if need be, but at the same time, I don't want you to miss anything if I put them all together. I want it to be like in a sequence or in scenes on this. And you know, the weather has been keeping me from doing a lot. I went to the store, decided what I'm going to do about this solder here and all this right here and all this right here. I know for a fact with the rain stuff we had a while back, it kept me from doing a lot of my work. And if you notice, I'm going to have to either hurry up and do what I said I was going to do, or the weather is going to eventually dry rot this out if I don't hurry up and do what I need to do. So I need to figure out how much it's going to cost and what I need to go about doing to get it to have that water seal and that whole stuff I was trying to get done. And it's going to be hard now to get a door to fit in here, because with you know, me not doing it in a feasible amount of time, this is completely warped, like really bad. It's bowed up, and I cannot go back and redo the bottom and try to get it, you know, flush or whatever. And I really honestly thought about cutting that section out and redoing it and putting like a piece of metal right there or something like that. But not set in stone of what I was gonna do, but it just makes sense to me. Just want you guys to know, just a quick update on the progress on this. I have not stopped doing what I was doing. It's just that, you know, I wound up picking up more shifts at my job, so everything's on hold with the whole uploading and finishing the shed videos. What should I say? Shed videos and finishing the shed, because once I get the door up, everything will be done. And I want to go ahead and let you guys know I went ahead and paid the storage unit today for that. That has the stuff in it. So I'm going to go ahead and quit all the chitter chattering. Just want to do a quick update, let you guys know I have not finished everything that's supposed to be getting finished. And things are still working out to my likings. But it's just, like I said, I picked up extra shifts to get extra money, to get extra things, to get things done for the vehicle that I got going on here, and plus the one that I'm planning on flipping. So I want to have everything set, so once I start one project, I'll be able to keep continuing the project without having to stop and figure out what I'm going to do if I don't have enough funds at the end of the day with the project. So I'm going to say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. And guys, we'll see you definitely real soon, and definitely on the next couple of videos that I will be putting out. And I want to say one more thing before I get out of here. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see a lot of my feeds. I do a lot of posting on my Instagram because the simple fact is, you know, it's easier to post on Instagram without having to, you know, upload and do certain things. You can do certain things on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will be in the loop on what's going on and what I'm trying to do. So like I said, I will see you guys in the next one.